We're well into day 3 of the Great Wall. We've been out and got our third load of the limestone fill, and we have got the toppers. They have started to put the toppers on, and we shall go down and see how far along they are. They've started putting the toppers on the top row, and they say that tonight they should be finished entirely with the wall, with the toppers, and then they will be back tomorrow to do the steps. But first we need the fill-in dirt, which I imagine we will get tomorrow. But again, we're coming along remarkably.
But now, of course, all the kids get vaccines. Yeah. Back then, they didn't really have vaccines or anything like that. No, I mean, my daughter even had to have, I don't know whether you had one, but she had to have a smallpox vaccine. Wow. And people threw around the car on their arm. So, yeah, when you're younger, they're...
I'm gonna lay this brick while I'm here.
Brick house.
One more down there? Yeah.
All right, then. Thank you.
Alright, yeah, we already got gravel on this one. I've already got gravel on this one, so I need a topper.
I think that was a good idea to leave that wall there.
Yeah, because it gives you
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.